Good morning, and this is regards to the way how MIS executive become VBA programmer. I'm just explaining you. Here I have written some notes, and I thought of explaining you by taking one video. So hence I take this step towards to you teach you. So so here you can see how to become Excel macro or VBA programmer from MIS executive. Means here means whatever is there I just read for you. Here you are going to learn the way here the same thing which I explained you now. So it's very near because MIS executive can become very easily to VBA programmer, and VBA programmer can become very easily to VB.NET developer. So VB.NET developer, C#.NET developer, ASP.NET, anyone, because it's a gateway of the programming for a MIS executive. It's a role is a gateway of the programming part because you will be well enough knowledge in the formulas and Excel. So 70% of the work with the formulas and Excel only, though you are writing the VBA macro programming. So that's the reason it would be helpful for them. So here means this is the basic thing. And MIS executive itself, it's a hard work. Means to become MIS executive, you have to work bit harder because many managers and data management team, many requests you have to handle. So and there are the many challenges you will be facing. Means due to not receiving deliverables. I mean inputs from various teams to you on time, so your report will be delayed. So these kind of issues you need to face. So these all the things you will overcome at the MIS role. So once you overcome and means up and downs in MIS executive, so then it's very easy to start writing the programs, VBA programs. So it's a very dead easy for the MIS executive to become a VBA programmer. And there is a other way, means without become MIS executive, you can become a VBA programmer. So that is another way, and I thought of doing a different video in order to explain you further. So at this point of time, I'm going to explain you the way how you can become a VBA programmer from MIS executive. So as I explained, so let me go through. Uh, I thought of show you. Yeah, means yeah, here itself I have mentioned mm, what the way you can become explain. Yeah, anything I missed out, I'm checking. VBA programs are very tough when you do not start. See, I have explained you here. Means if you are not starting anything, so that would be very difficult for you. So once you get into it, so there is no difficulty at all. For example, I'll give you a live example for you, real time scenario. Early morning, it's getting up is a very difficult. People who are not getting up in the morning. So, but once you one day, if you get up in the early morning, 3 o'clock or somewhere, so that would be habituated for you from the next day onwards. So this is the simple example for you. Mm, I think so. The similar way, even MIS also. So it's a very dead easy, and I mean, sorry, VBA programmer. So wish you all the best. So hope you understand. So if you have any questions, you can contact me in order to get more explanation from me. So I wish you all the best. So hope this video would help you. So also this is a my website. So excelformula.com you can visit in case if you need more information on the MIS executive. And I have done another video called how to become an MIS executive. So I'm working here 24/7. So anytime you can knock the door and ask any doubts in case if you have anything. So I'm ready to help you. Thank you very much.